Get out! Get out!
I was at my brother's house. I was over that land I told you about.
Yes, yes.
You know what he told me?
Hey,
these people are looking for my trouble. So we can and by the time I begin to vibrate, there'll be fire.
What did he say now?
That is what I'm telling you. Because these people, look, you know me very well. You know me very well. Hey, Osu, go.
I think a car stopped.
Who could that be? Hey, can you not be going here? Because all this.
Greetings, ma. Greetings, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm looking for Emenike.
Emenike? Please, what happened? What did he do?
Nothing. I just want to see Emenike.
Ah, my love. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, I went somewhere, so on my way back, I decided to come see you.
You're welcome. Papa, Mama, meet my fiancée, my wife to be.
Oh, you're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, ma.
It's not a wife to be. Yes, Papa. My angel, my parents.
Nice to meet you, ma.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Shall we go inside?
Okay.
All right. Sorry. Why did you let him take her inside?
We're not here. Why didn't you stop them? Why didn't you let him take inside?
This is trouble.
My parents are fond of making me angry over my brother.
Your brother? How?
I have a brother who does not care about anyone, not even my sick father, not even the children that he's going to leave behind.
I still do not understand.
My brother is a prodigal son. He left home for over 4 months now, living a promiscuous life. All he cares about is women, drinks, spending my father's money lavishly.
That is wickedness.
Listen to me, Emenike. I am not bothered about all that. If you marry me tomorrow, you will be the next king and inherit my father's throne.
What did you say? I mean, I didn't hear you properly.
I said if you become my husband, you will be the next king and the throne will be yours.
My love, are you joking?
I am not joking. I mean what I said.
Is that what your father said, or you're the one saying it?
You're still doubting me.
I am not doubting you, my love. I am not. So I will become the next king after your father passed on.
Yes, and I, your queen.
Wow. Thank you so much. Give me a hug.
Let's go somewhere to relax better. Okay.
After
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall in anya. And you don't go be more. I fall in anya.
Yeah. Emenike. Papa. Emenike.
Papa.
How many times have I called you?
Papa, why are you calling my name like that? What is it?
Emenike. Hey, I'm warning you now. What are you doing with the princess?
Papa, what do you mean by what am I doing with the princess?
Please, stay away from the princess. Stay away from the princess. She is not your class. If the king and the queen hears that you, Emenike, look at you, you are dating their daughter, hey, there will be trouble. And when the trouble begins, nobody should call me. Because I, Ikejemba, I will not come out.
Oh, Papa, please don't start.
Hey.
Don't start. Don't deprive me from this opportunity like you always do. What is it by me dating the princess? Don't stop me from my opportunity.
I want you opportunity. Opportunity. When it happens, don't call me. Because I will not come out.
Papa, Emenike, come.
Come here.
Why are you tackling me?
Tackling who? Warn your son.
Instead of, as in, rejoicing for his achievement.
Achievement?
Yeah.
Wait, you call causing trouble? Looking for trouble, drawing trouble with your own hands. Achievement. Eh? I will not come out. Oh. When it happens, nobody should call me. Outspoken.
Don't mind him, my son. I am strongly behind you.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, but why does Papa want to stop my progress? During his own time, did he date a princess?
For where?
Just being jealous of me for me.
Every time, not come out. Nna park yakwa, oh?
You be my love, oh my love, oh. Forever, nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall in anya, and you don't go be more. I fall in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever.
Baby, you know I so like Does she open?
Yes, please.
My goodness. Babe,
Yes.
you got me a car?
Oh, yes.
You got me a car! Oh my God! I love you so much. Thank you so much, baby.
Let's take a look at
Oh my God! Let's go! Oh, this is so sweet.
Oh yeah, who made me think it's ya? Is it See, Ijoma, Ijojo, Ijehinile. Please just help me to shout. Praise the Lord! Pray, Master Jesus! You're not seeing anything.
Are you don't rant like a fool? Where is the money that you took from my bag?
You shut your mouth. What money are you talking about? Or are you trying to insult me? Para.
Am I trying to insult you? Provide my money. Emenike, provide my money because you not like me. You not sleep in this household.
Can you imagine this church rat? What money are you talking about?
Better provide my money.
Can you imagine this? Are you a mad woman?
You are a madman.
What is it again?
Mama,
Kedifabu.
one this girl, one this Ijojo, one how? She's trying to accuse me. One how? I will slap her.
And I will slap you too.
Hey, my friend, shut up your mouth. You are talking to your elder brother.
Don't mind.
Mama, tell him to provide my money. Tell him to provide the money that he took from my bag.
Can you imagine this idiot?
Hey!
So, Ijoma, you don't know that you're talking to a future king? Are you mad? Have you gone nuts?
Tell her.
Anyway, I don't have your time. Mama, I have an important gist for you, which I wouldn't want this fool to hear. Call them and gist.
Hey!
Oh,
yeah,
Mama, after you now.
Hey!
After good you. News. Good news.
Come now! Hey!
Jojo.
What good news is he talking about? Papa.
What happened? Who were you calling?
Papa, is it not Emenike? He took my money.
He took your money?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know.
So where is he?
Papa is inside. Tell him to give me my money.
I'm coming back, huh? Let me come on.
Papa, come and talk to him, oh. Nonsense boy. Useless madman.
Me why I'm dancing. Eh?
Oh, I'm listening. Why are you dancing?
Hey! My son will soon become the king.
You can please. Please. Hey! If you have nothing serious to tell me, just let me do what I'm doing.
Ask me how, Juan. Eh?
Mama, how?
Thank you, my daughter. You see why it's good to encourage your children whenever they are on good track. You were against our son. Now God is about to bless us through their relationship.
Can you come out plain? Let me understand what you're talking about.
Princess told our son that once he marries her, he will take over the throne of her father. Do you know the social story of everything? The father is very sick. He might even die today or tomorrow.
Look at it. And you believe this trash? No, you believe this nonsense you are telling me now? Eh? Emenike taking over the throne from the king?
You think it's a lie? It is true.
Mama, why are you like this? Eh? What makes you think that this thing can happen in this life? Eh?
Yeah.
Better warn your son to stay away from the princess. I have said it. Because when the trouble starts, you will not see me. I will not come out.
I am not around though.
Okay.
I am not.
If you like disappear, nothing will happen to our son. Final!
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever.
Mrs. Vera, imagine. Go and warn your mother to warn her son. Because tomorrow people will say I'm wicked. I'm not wicked though. I'm just being myself. Don't worry, tomorrow you will become wicked. Come, bring me light and let me light.
Unbreakable love, our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together.
Still not speaking. What is wrong with him?
Mother, you look so worried. What's the problem?
Is it not your brother? He's not picking my calls. So I'm worried.
Mom, I don't even know why you're worried about Vincent, who doesn't even care about anybody in this house.
Can you just listen to yourself? Why won't I be worried? For more than 4 months now, I've not heard from your brother. And your father is sick. He's not picking my call. I have every reason to be worried.
Mom, I don't even know why you're bothering yourself. Vincent does not care about anyone in this house. He doesn't. Stop bothering yourself about him. I'm sure he's okay where he is. Don't get yourself worked up. No, I don't.
That is it too. The queen had been so worried about the prince.
Are you serious? What is really going on? What's happening?
They have not heard from him.
Hey, come back here. Stay right there. What were you two talking about?
Nothing, my princess.
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean nothing? I saw you talking to her. What were you telling her?
No.
Suddenly cannot talk?
My princess, I was trying to tell her that the queen will be worried about the prince.
And is that your business? How is that your concern? Don't you two have jobs to do in this palace?
Sorry, my princess.
My friend, will you get out of here? Get out of here. Look at them. Jobless people.
Vinny, please pick your call. It's urgent. Could it be that you are busy? Oh my God. He didn't speak again.
Mom, are you still on this?
My brother is still not speaking. He is not speaking.
Then you are going to hurt yourself. This is not good for you. Stop stressing yourself.
There is no way I am going to hurt myself for calling my son. Have you forgotten that your father is sick? And his presence is highly needed here.
What if he doesn't want to come home?
Tell me why he would not want to come home. Is this not his father's house? Or is this not his house as well?
Well, Mom, I don't know. And I don't really care.
You don't know. And you don't really care. Please pick your call. Pick your call. Eh? He didn't pick his calls.
That boy is going to ruin his life before he knows it.
Maybe he is busy or he's not with his phone. Let me use your phone to call him.
No. I forbid you to do that. If he doesn't pick his calls or refuse to return the calls, you should forget it.
Please, just allow me to call him with your phone. He might pick up. Please.
Babe, your phone has been ringing.
Oh, yeah. My mom.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why are they calling my two lines? She's calling me. Wow. She's been the one calling.
She's still calling me.
Vinny?
Hello, Mom. Oh, I'm sorry I missed your calls.
let me just go straight to the point. Your father is sick.
Sick? Since when?
I don't know what is wrong with him. Maybe you should come back and find out for yourself.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, hello? Hello?
Babe?
Yeah.
Is everything alright?
Not really, not really. Just hold on. Why is she not picking calls?
Your mom?
Yeah.
Why is she not picking? Is everything the matter?
My father is sick.
Your father?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And how is he?
My mom needs to tell me, but I don't know why she's not taking calls.
Why is she not taking calls?
Maybe because she's not happy with me.
Happy with you? Why is she not happy with you?
Because I chose to live my own life. I mean, do what makes me happy. You know, I haven't really told you anything about me. I am actually a prince.
You're what? A prince?
Yeah, a prince. And right now, home is calling. I have to go know what's going on.
Babe, just take it easy. Can I come with you?
Yeah, sure.
I can. Oh, thank you.
Just be in the car.
Okay, you wait for me, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, baby. Just wait for me. Let me pack up. I'll join you. Okay, take it easy, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'll join you. Hi, God. I'm fine. You called at the right time. See, Vinny, I'm going home with Vinny.
Okay, how long will he be gone?
Let's just say 2 days or more.
Alright, babe, my engagement party is coming up in a few days' time, and I'm coming back tomorrow.
I know. Don't worry. I will try to make it back on time, okay? I can't miss it for anything.
No problem.
Yes.
Safe journey.
Alright. Okay, babes. Alright. Please let me pack up. I'll join him. He's waiting for me in the car. Alright. Oh, shit. Where's this bag?
Everybody in this house is just running mad. I don't even understand mom anymore. Stressing and bothering herself over a prodigal son that doesn't even want to come home. I'm very sure that my brother is somewhere enjoying his life with his mistresses. Killing herself over nothing. Beg, let me just stay here and enjoy my drink.
My princess, the queen demands your presence.
Are you mad? What? Are you stupid? Don't you know how to greet?
Sorry, my princess.
Kneel down there. I said kneel down! Raise up your hands. All you know how to do is to eat my father's food and get fat. Raise your hands! Raise them up! Higher! Higher, higher, higher. Raise it up. You're going to remain here until I say so. If you leave this place, you'll see what I'll do to you. Nonsense.
What is the problem? Tell me. Who made you angry?
My parents.
What happened again?
same matter. Every time, Vinny this, Vinny that, they care less about me. They only care about someone who is far away from them, someone that does not even care about them. I'm sick and tired of all this.
Calm down. See, my love, don't let that bother you. You and I know that he's not coming back anytime soon. Just relax yourself. Cheer up.
At least they should care about me and show me love. I'm also their child.
It's okay. Just calm down. Don't let that bother you. Cheer up.
I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
All right, my love. I'll call you.
I'll be expecting your call.
All right, darling.
I love you.
I love you more.
I'll be waiting for your call.
All right, darling. I'll call you.
All right.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you.
Thank you, baby. But I'm just a bit worried.
Why?
Your mom is already upset with you. Mine won't be exceptional.
Oh no, you don't have to think like that. Not at all.
Are you sure?
Of course. My mom is only, not happy because, according to her, I'm living a wayward life. It has nothing to do with you.
But baby, you're not living a wayward life.
Yeah.
You are my prince.
Tell that to my mother.
I just can't wait to see them.
How is he, my queen?
He's getting better now.
Yeah. Okay. I hope the prince have been informed.
Yeah, I put a call across to him.
That's good. I have to take my leave. So, please take good care of him.
Do you think he will actually come back?
Why do you say that?
Well, you should know that your son is somewhere enjoying his life and lusting after several women.
Why are you making such negative comments against your own brother?
It's not a negative comment, it's simply the truth.
Enough of that. One more negative word against your brother. You see what I'll do to you. I'm not in that mood.
Tell them the truth. Just don't like to hear it.
We're almost here.
Yeah.
That's the place.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's so big.
Yeah, it's big. It's really big.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall in anya, and you don't go be more. I fall in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love, 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 love. Our love is forevermore.
Good day, my prince.
Good day. Where's the queen?
She's inside, my prince.
Hi.
Hi, brother.
My love, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. So, babe, that's Vera, my kid sis. Vera, that's Nivea, my girl.
Hi. My pleasure. I'm Nivea.
Where are the maidens?
My love, don't take that to heart. She's not in a good mood.
Yes?
Babe, I just feel that was very rude and I feel really embarrassed.
It's okay. I'll make her come around. Okay?
Alright, babe.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. Afulunginanya, enyegaga bimo. Afulunginanya, love more. Our love is forever.
Mom.
What do we have here? My son. You're here. Welcome.
Good day, ma'am.
You're welcome. And who is she?
She's my girlfriend, Mom.
Your girlfriend?
My mother.
She's pretty.
Oh, thank you. And what's your name?
My name is Nivea.
Nivea.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Son, how was the journey?
Oh, well, fine. Bless God.
What took you so long?
Mom.
Oh, it's okay. I understand. Your dad is upstairs in his room.
Okay. Babe,
Yeah?
let me quickly see my father, okay?
Alright, baby.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Alright, baby. Alright.
Okay, Mom.
It's okay. Have a seat.
Thank you.
You said your name is?
Nivea.
Nivea. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
What of your parents?
My parents, they are very well.
It's okay. No. Grace? Grace? Come.
My queen.
Take her inside and make sure you serve her very well. She's special.
Okay, my queen. Please come with me.
Thank you. Thank you,
I can see my son is stepping up. He's a good one.
What is that you want most?
What I want most? Well, Father, I have always wanted to live my life. I've always wanted to, be myself without adding any title to my name. And that's what I want. I just want to live my life. And that's the part you always call me a wayward son.
You don't always say wayward son, wayward son.
Father, you.
Aside your dreams, hope you know you have responsibilities. Huh?
Yes, Father.
Yeah. Who is that girl you brought home?
She's my girlfriend. She's the girl I want to marry. Though I haven't made my intentions known to her.
What is he waiting for? If she's the right person, have you forgotten you are the crown prince? If anything should happen to me now, you can't emerge as the king because you don't have a wife. Is that what you want?
No, Father, but nothing will happen to you now.
Then do the right thing at the right time. Do it.
Okay, Father, I will.
Not you will. Do it. Do it.
I will do it. Okay?
I said do it.
Father, I will. Don't worry. I'll take my leave now. I'll see you later. I'm still around. Yeah.
You're going away again?
Not away. I'm still in the palace.
Don't go far.
I'll be back.
Father, I told you that he's still living a promiscuous life. He brought a woman home today.
You must go marry.
Then are you sure he wants to marry her, or she's just one of those his mistresses that he sleeps around with in the city?
Don't add more to my problem.
I'm sorry. Should I get you one time?
Yeah, baby. We're at the palace now. This place is so beautiful. And the queen, she's so pretty. Very pretty. Even the princess, she's pretty, but she's a bit rude. But that's her life, though. Yes, my darling. Oh, okay. Babe, let me call you back. Alright, good. Bye, Joe. Babe, how is he?
It's fine. I guess he misses me.
I can understand. I know how he feels. So, babe, I've been wanting to ask you. Is there still something you're keeping away from me?
I've apologized for what I did. The reason I did it is not far-fetched. I just want to live my life. I just don't want to attach who I am to my personality. I just want to be that random guy out there without giving me respect, so much, adoration, because I come from a royal family. That was why I lied, because I just want to be natural. So now that you know, there's nothing else I'm hiding from you.
I understand, but you owe me an explanation.
I know. I'm sorry.
Leave me. Leave me, Joe.
I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry, I'll make it up to you.
Are you sure?
Sure.
It's a promise.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I'm falling in love.
Vinny, you like the food?
Yes, my queen.
It's okay. The food is delicious, right? Yeah? That's all. Delicious. Nivea. My son have never brought a woman into this palace before. Never.
Wow.
You are the first lady. The first.
That's correct.
I hope you love my son. Huh?
Yes, my king. I love him so much. Yeah.
That's nice. the crown prince. You love her?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? You love her?
Of course.
Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
Easy,
Yeah.
please.
Enjoy your food, everyone. Let's enjoy the food.
Thank you.
Brother, are you sure you love her?
Sorry about that. What did you say?
Are you sure you love her?
Of course I love her.
Okay, you say so.
Enjoy the food.
There's still more.
Thank you, my friend. You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you.
God, you're not serious. No, honestly, you're not serious. Don't ask me that kind of question. We're in his family's house. We can't be doing all those lovey, kind of. We just take it easy. You like how me, boy. Let me call you back, please. I'll call you. Hi.
Nivea, or whatever you are called. What do you think you're doing with my brother?
I don't get you.
I'm sure you're not deaf. I mean, do you think my brother will marry you? Flaunting yourself in my father's palace with my brother, smiling. I mean, what do you think you're doing with my brother? You heard me.
Excuse me.
You are well excused.
Please, for your information, if you need me to, enlighten you a bit. If you're talking about my Vinny, I'm sorry, but Vinny and I, we are in love.
Really?
Yes, so you can just spare me with all that.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. My brother will not marry you. I'm sure you're just one of those toys he plays with. I'm sure of that.
Please, just stay away from me and keep whatever talk and thoughts to yourself. I am not interested. Alright? Nice speaking with you.
Not nice speaking with you, with all due disrespect. And whenever you're talking to me, don't smile at me. I'm not your friend.
I'm so sorry. It's obvious you lack love. Because if you have love in your life, you won't be this difficult. Back to gold. Gold, baby. Calling you right away.
Red rose, red rose.
MNK. 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 Hi. Good afternoon. I want to see MNK.
MNK. I want to see MNK. Keep that greeting to yourself. I don't need your greetings. Keep it to yourself. Leave my brother alone. Wrap on one name. Eh? Ogini.
Why are you speaking to me in that tone?
Stop deceiving him. Eh? He's my only brother. Oh. Stop deceiving him. Oh. I'm not happy with you, princess, or whatever they call you. I'm not happy with you.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
You don't understand? Okay. Princess Vera, you and I know that Emenike will not marry you. Stop bringing problems to my family. Stop it.
I love Emenike so much. Emenike is my life. He means a lot to me. We are going to get married. We are in love. We love each other so much.
You are going to get married to who? Emenike, my only brother. You are a liar. You are a blatant liar. Stop deceiving my brother. Leave my brother alone. Leave him alone.
Enough! Do not speak to me in such manner. I don't blame you.
Do I blame you too? Abani, record. Let me see your leg here again. You don't like me. I'm not fear.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I'm falling in anya, and you don't go be more. I'm falling in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love, 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 our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love, love, love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable. Forevermore. Forevermore. Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh.
What are you doing?
Papa, I'm very tired. Let's go.
Will you take your women ass off that place and go and walk? Look at this lazy buffoon.
Papa, I know I am a very lazy person. But mind the way you talk to me. I am the future king.
Also?
Papa, I am the future king.
Papa Emenike. Papa Emenike. If our son says he's tired, allow him to rest.
Simple.
Eh? He's our future king, oh.
UK.
Yes.
UK. You are causing problem for this boy. Serious problems. Be ready to dance with him because me, I will not be there. This is the dance of the dead. That is what you are playing for him. When the problem will begin, I will not come out. Both of you will carry it on your own.
Papa, don't call mass. My mother's rookie me.
Eh.
Only she in one community, Papa.
Okay.
If you like, come out, don't come.
Okay.
She will stand for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then listen, this future king. Is he shampoo? Future king. Don't worry.
Now.
I'm going to rest, Biko.
Rest, oh.
Oh, Mama.
My future king. My future king.
Don't
mind your father.
Oh? Mama, go and walk. I'm tired.
Rest, relax your back very well.
Let me go, Mama. Go and walk. I'm very
Sleep. Rest or relax your back very well.
Mama, go and walk, yeah. Papa, walk well, though.
That thing will happen. That thing will happen. Every time that thing will happen.
Papa, don't worry. Papa, bend and walk well, though.
Look at you. Lazy buffoon.
How do you bend and walk well?
Lazy buffoon. Don't worry.
You're talking to the future king, though.
Now rest,
Ada! Where is Are you asking Baba? Am I not coming from the house? You're asking me who's the Ijoma.
How are you? Thank you, John. Mind that you're
Come,
welcome of your brother.
Who's tired, man?
No, I don't know.
Come.
Hey, come back here. Did you hear what your brother asked you?
The princess come here.
Mama, I said I don't know.
Ijoma is becoming stubborn in this.
Hey!
Mama, Ijoma is becoming stubborn in this house.
Don't
Don't panic. Don't worry. I will call the princess myself.
Eh?
I said I will call the princess and let's just go inside.
Now go and rest. Oh, my future king.
You can say that.
My future king.
You can say that.
Nah, gonna namo.
Mama!
Namo. Hey, I'm gonna do.
Why is she not picking my calls? Pick now. What is wrong now? I won't stop until she picks. Hello, hello, my love. What is it now? I've been calling you since you're not picking.
I am not fine. I was at your house a while ago. Your sister gave me the biggest insult of my life.
What? My sister did what?
She insulted me and called me names.
Just calm down. I will deal with her. Please. Please, I beg in the name of God. Okay. Okay. Oh. All right. Love you. Ijoma!
Who is that fool shouting like a dog?
Ijoma, you mad? How dare you insult Vera?
I mean,
come on, talk me. If you do not talk now, I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
Slap me!
Are you mad? How dare you?
Shut up! Are you mad? What's happening here?
He slapped me!
Can you imagine this low life? Insulting my fiancé. Are you mad?
You are mad.
Ijoma,
Mama.
is it true?
Hey, excuse me. What is it true? You're asking if it is true. Wait, is that enough reason for him to slap my daughter?
Papa, I swear to God, if she tries this nonsense again, I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
You will not do it. Yes. Because if you try it, I will deal with you.
It's a buon wegi. It's a buon wegi. If she tries it next time, beat her very well. What is it?
Listen, if you touch her again, I will use your heads for sacrifice. Try me. Nonsense. No, try it again. Touch her again. Touch me.
Touch me again. What is it?
Mama, let's go inside.
Don't make it serious.
I will slap thunder out of your eyes.
No, you touch her.
Hey! Because of this drama.
Mama, it's okay. Don't worry.
Hey!
Papa, don't, it's okay, don't worry. If I become the king, I will make you the queen mother and take you to the palace. Papa and Ijoma will remain in this village and suffer till they die.
Kita, you said it all. Oh yeah, come inside. Hey!
Wait a second. Ijoma!
Baby, promise me that you won't fail to come back.
Of course I won't. I promise.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Baby, no, I can't stay without you.
Yeah, promise. You don't have to be bothered, okay?
Yeah, alright. So where's my luggage?
Oh, it's already in the trunk. I told them to take it out.
Okay.
Oh, my son.
She's about to leave.
Really? Yes. Oh. I hope you enjoy your stay in the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ah, beautiful. May my ancestors guide you,
I say,
protect you,
I say,
and bring you back to this palace.
I say.
Safe journey, my dear.
Thank you so much, my queen.
And say me hi to your parents.
She's going to make a good wife, isn't it?
I don't think so, Daddy.
Huh?
She will make a good wife for us.
I trust my son. I'm so proud of him.
She's a nice lady.
She's a nice girl, that's true.
You mean your brother has come back?
Yes, my brother is back. That was what I was coming to tell you the day your sister embarrassed me.
So I'm not going to take over your father's property and the throne anymore.
Why?
Because your brother is back.
He has gone back. And this time, he has gone for good.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Are you still doubting me?
I am not doubting you, but I'm listening.
I am going to take you to my parents' house any moment from now.
Really?
Of course.
So what will you tell them about me?
I am going to tell them that you are the love of my life. And we are going to get married.
Oh, thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too. Come on, give me a hug.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream.
Hi, baby.
She's back. Welcome.
Thank you, I love.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Hey, I missed you.
I'm very well.
How was
And
your
are
trip?
you? My trip was awesome. If not for you, I wouldn't have come back.
Oh,
Because
welcome.
you're really, really taking good care of me.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm serious. I didn't feel like coming back home.
Thank God you came back.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, I'm all ears. Congratulations! Dun, 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 look at mine.
Oh my God! This is beautiful.
Congrats to us. Thank you. Congrats too. You know, I was going to say it's good to stick together to the end of time. But then, something came in between. Such is life. I hope you understand.
I understand, my darling. And trust me, I bear no grudges.
I'm happy you found your own man.
Same here. I'm happy for you.
Look, tell Vinny not to fail to show up at my engagement party. I would love to see him.
Of course. He doesn't have a choice. We will be there.
Right? I'll miss you.
I'll miss you so much, my baby.
Your house is beautiful.
Thank you so much. Don't worry, my mom is coming to see you. Okay? You're going to like her. I've told her about you already. She's coming down.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm scared.
Oh, please, baby, don't sound like that. Look, do not embarrass me, okay? Just comport yourself. Put yourself together. My mom is going to like you. Don't be scared.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure. She will like you.
Hey, Mom.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
No, you don't have to say good afternoon, ma. My mom is a queen. So you say greetings, my queen.
Oh, greetings.
Mom?
Who is this?
Mom, this is MNK, the love of my life. He is my fiancé. He proposed to me and I accepted. So I brought him home for you to see him and give you approval. I know you're going to like him more.
What?
She just told you the truth. Ma.
Meaning that we are going to get married soon, Mommy.
Interesting.
I know you like him, so I told him to come see you.
Can I see you inside?
Mom, there's no problem. You like MNK, you just have to get to know him better, Mom.
What are you doing? Mom, what kind of disgrace was that?
What disgrace are you talking about?
Who was that man and what are you doing with him?
Mom, you heard my introduction. He is...
Oh, hush! Hold it there. I just want you to go in there, tell him to leave this palace right here now.
Oh, Mom, I'm not going to do such thing. That that's my visitor in there.
Oh, you're not going to do such thing. Okay, I don't care to know whatever you think he is to you or whatever he is to you. Don't worry, you're not going to do it. It's okay.
Whoa! Why can't I just do my thing the way I want?
So, if I finally marry this my wife, I will inherit the whole of this palace. Huh? God, I thank you. God, I give you praise. I thank you so much. This marriage must work. Hey, Mama. I'm looking for where to peace. I'm very pressed. Mama I'm here. I'm very, very pressed.
May thunder fire that miserable mouth you used to say that. When you go to your wretched house, you can ease yourself and not here. Now get out of my sight.
Ma, see,
I said, will you get out?
I cannot take it to my house.
What's going on here? What are you doing?
I just told her I want to ease my head because of...
Are you still standing here? Get!
Mommy!
What is it?
Mommy, why are you doing this? This is the man I love.
Yes. I cannot take this thing to my house because of prostate cancer. I need to ease myself.
It's okay.
Get! Get out of here!
Mom!
Get! Come and take this miserable man out of my house and never allow him to come back here.
Mommy, stop!
It's okay.
Mommy, please don't do this to me. I love this man. Get to know him. You will like him too, Mom.
You love him?
Yes, Mommy.
Have you lost it? Are you stupid? Are you senseless? Are you insane? What is wrong with you? I said, get out of here now. Get! Come and take this miserable man out of here.
Mommy, just calm down.
Get!
What's that man I saw you walking outside? I don't even know. He's the queen that asked me to throw him out. The queen. Just like that. Just like that. That guy is the princess' boyfriend. He's the fiancé to the princess.
Hey! Why did you throw my man out?
My princess. Sorry, my princess. It's the queen that asked me to throw him out.
You're very stupid! The next time you try this rubbish again, I am going to skin you alive! You stupid son of a bitch! Get out of my sight! Hey, come back here, come back here. Kneel down. Kneel down! Kneel down! Get away! Get out of here!
Sorry, my
fool!
Sorry, my princess.
Lie down. Lie down! Are you deaf or daft? Roll on the floor. Roll with your belly. That is what you should do. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way, idiot. The next time you throw my man out of this house, I am going to so roast you alive. Keep rolling like the fool that you are. I said keep rolling. Remain there. Son of a bitch. Nonsense. Try this with me next time and you get it hot. Nonsense.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I fall again, and you go be more. I fall again, love more. Our love.
Hi, sweet.
Babe, why are you not sleeping?
I couldn't sleep.
Why?
Because I miss my baby.
You know I missed you so much, baby. I missed you.
So, what is going on?
Nothing much. Just here. Gold moved out of the house today.
Why? Is everything okay?
Yeah, she moved in with her boyfriend.
I understand, but hope you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm fine, baby. It's just that I'm missing my baby. I just wish you're here so I can kiss you.
Not to worry. Very soon, it will just be you and I.
I know. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
My baby.
Red rose, red rose, red rose.
I wish this engagement party would just come and go. I'm tired.
Is that why you're worried? Just calm down your nerves. The party is already over. Okay?
What about Vinny? Is he not coming again?
Of course he's coming. I just spoke to him. He will soon be here. He's on his way.
I can't wait to see the face of the man that stole your heart.
I can't wait for you to see my baby. You know? You see how cute and portable he is. I hope you will not fall in love.
Baby, please, you need to calm down here. People are asking after you, please.
Okay, I'll be right there. I have to go now. They're asking after me.
Alright, I'll join you. Let me just touch up.
Nobody will save you here today. Nobody will save you. Nobody will save her. No, touch her. Touch her. What's the problem?
Papa, I will not stop beating this girl until she stop insulting me.
Chanda, what's the problem?
Papa, I did not insult him. He ate my food, and when I talk about it, he said that he will beat me.
He ate your food?
Yes, Papa.
American shit. You see your life. You are the one insulting yourself in this house. You see it? Nonsense.
Papa, I did not eat her food. I saw her food in the kitchen and I ate the food. How am I supposed to know it's her food?
Papa,
how?
That food is mine. He knows.
You can feel around.
Don't touch me.
Papa, don't touch me.
Don't
touch
touch
me.
her.
Touch her. Don't touch me.
No, touch her now. Touch her. You are the one entitled to touching somebody. Touch her.
Don't worry, Papa will soon go out. I will beat you blue and black.
No, you beat her
You
because...
not do anything. Touch me.
When you run your mouth finish, come and enter this
I will
house.
enter
Which
this
house?
house. You not do
Enter.
anything. It's not your house. It's my father's house.
Papa will not your father's house.
Yes.
No, the house you built.
Enter this house.
The house you and your useless business.
Enter this house.
You must pay for that food, though. You must pay for that food.
Come on.
You must.
No, hold on.
Don't worry.
Come. Look at it. No, come on. No, listen. No. No sense. Go. Go and stand there. Let him come and touch you.
Flash off. You mean your brother has come back?
Yes, my brother is back. That was what I was coming to tell you the day your sister embarrassed me.
So I'm not going to take over your father's property and the throne anymore?
Why?
Because your brother is back.
He has gone back. And this time, he has gone for good.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Are you still doubting me?
I am not doubting you, but I'm listening.
I am going to take you to my parents' house any moment from now.
Really?
Of course.
So what will you tell them about me?
I am going to tell them that you are the love of my life and we are going to get married.
I hope Vera knows what she's saying because her mother does not like me. Her mother might force her son to come back to take over the throne. But I know what mothers can do. What do I do now?
Hi, babe. Are you serious?
Okay, I'm coming. Alright.
Silver.
Cool.
How often do you come here?
Once in a while.
Okay.
And you?
I come here all the time.
You see?
Mhm.
You know, sometimes we tend to unwind.
Exactly. To remove stress.
Exactly. Life is not so serious like that.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I have a call. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So you care for a dance?
Sure.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream. Is this love? If I'm love, come to red rose, red rose, red rose. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one knows.
I heard noises. I know you're back. Gold, what happened? I was calling you all through the night and you didn't even pick your calls.
I'm sorry. I was carried away by the blues of the night.
I thought as much. So how did it go?
It was fun.
You owe me just.
Nivea, start going to work. You'll be late. Oh yeah.
I know. But promise me once I get back, you're going to give me all the gist.
No wahala, I will.
Alright. Have a blessed day.
Alright. Oh God. He hasn't called till now. Well, they say if Mohammed doesn't go to the mountain has to go to Mohammed. Let me place this call.
is his phone switched off? Could it be that he wanted to use me and walk away? But Silva told me he loves me. Why would he do this to me? Why is his phone not going through? Oh, God. Nivea, have you ever fallen in love at first sight before?
Why do you ask?
Nothing. I just want to know.
Are you in love?
Not really.
Good. It's written all over you, so don't lie.
Oh, Nivea, there's this guy I met at the club.
Okay.
He was so kind to me, but what I don't understand is the way he left me in the hotel.
How did he leave you?
We were together and then I woke up, he was gone. He left some money in the hotel room for me.
Did you guys bargain?
No.
Did you exchange contact?
We did. I've been trying to reach him on the phone. Not reachable. It seems he gave me a wrong number.
Obviously. Are you surprised? I'm not surprised because that's how men are. Once they get what they want, oh, here is your case.
Well, he told me he loved me.
Oh, God. Love. Gold. You of all people should know better. Love shouldn't be in your dictionary. What are you saying? You just have to get over him, okay? He's not real. That's how they just deceive women. It's their new trick, baby. Their new trick. So forget about him. He's gone.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream. Is this love?
Gold? Where is your mind? Don't tell me you've been thinking about that boy.
Nivea, you won't understand. For the first time in my life, I feel used.
Used? Don't use such words on yourself. That's so harsh. And moreover, the guy is a good guy. Most guys in his position won't even drop a dime for you. At least he left some money for you, so you shouldn't feel that way.
I want to go to the club this night.
Again?
Yes, I believe I will see him.
Come on, babe. Is it not obvious he doesn't like you?
I don't care. I just want to see him. Please, can you come with me?
Hell no.
Please.
I will not come.
Please.
And what if you go there and he doesn't show up?
And they will come back and I promise I will never talk about him again.
Deal?
Deal.
Gold. You promise. It's alright. Just stop thinking about the whole thing, okay? Don't see yourself like you're used. You're not. Alright? I just pray I will finish on Thanksday. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Take care. See you.
Alright.
Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one night stand. Just one night stand. what became of me. I can't be myself anymore. I have gone far and near in search of you, yet you are nowhere to be found. Only one night stand, just one night stand.
So, yeah. Vincent, oh no, Jay. What am I seeing?
Charles Ofo.
My God!
Charles!
Is this you?
Yes, of course, it's me.
Good to see you again, no. Look at my God. It's been a while.
Yeah.
I learned you traveled abroad after school.
Oh, yes, but I later returned after my master's.
Oh boy, see my guy, looking fresh. Badass artist that year. Welcome. So what are you doing here? Who invited you?
My girl, Nivea.
Nivea?
Yeah.
That's a girl?
Yeah.
That means you'll be getting married to her soon?
Absolutely.
Wow, nice. Okay, this is my woman, Gold.
Oh, your woman?
Yes, Gold. My long-time friend.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, baby.
Here comes like
Baby, I'm so sorry I kept you waiting.
Okay, I was already waiting in comparison.
I know.
You good? Sure.
That's my classmate back then.
Yeah, my bosom friend.
That's all for who used to be companion back in school.
Wow.
He traveled abroad. I didn't see him for some time.
Oh my goodness.
My man got so lost, you know.
Yes, they're looking good.
What a small.
It was brief that time. Now you added a little.
Oh my God. Please don't say that to my baby.
So this is the thank you telling me for saving your ass back in school. This lady stole the phone back then in school.
Oh,
you remember, right?
We stole it together.
Oh, please stop, guys. Baby, I haven't told you. Here is my best friend, my sister, my everything, Gold.
Gold.
Yeah, my woman.
Introduction again. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
Same here.
Babe, are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Shall we go inside? There's something I'd like you to help me with.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Yeah, don't take time, okay? Not too much gist.
Did the get us?
Why is your mood like this?
Nivea, today is the worst day of my life.
Don't say that. Today is supposed to be the best day of your life.
Nivea, you will not understand.
Make me understand. You know I'm here for you. Tell me what is bothering you. Why is your mood like this? You're even crying.
It's Silver.
Not again. I thought it's already in the past.
He showed up again.
I don't understand. How do you mean he showed up again?
As we speak, Silver is in the building.
You mean Sylvia is here? Yes. Oh my God.
Look, it's Vinny.
What do you mean by it's Vinny? You mean you mean my Vinny is Silver?
Yes.
Tell me you're joking.
No, I'm not. Look, he lied to me about everything. I remember he told me he was an artist. Nivea.
Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this. Can you just come in, please?
Oh, please what? Please what exactly? I wonder why I fell for you in the first place. I was doing just fine on my own. Rubbish.
Babe, please. I'm a changed person. Okay? You please.
You're a changed person. You're nothing but a snitch. Now I know why they call you bad man. It's written, it's all over. You can see it. Stay away from me. I'm warning you. Just stay away from me.
Red rose, red rose.
Look, I can't give up on you no matter how you chase me, okay? Look, can you please respect me? Come inside, then we can talk about it, please.
Wayward man, stay away from me.
Please.
Babe. Yes. Nivea left the party unannounced. What is going on?
Well, I told her the truth about her fiancé.
You told her the truth about her fiancé? Really? Wait, you mean you knew that guy before now?
Yes. He was my late cousin's boyfriend. He wasn't nice to her at all.
But everything happened in the past. Maybe he's a changed person. Who knows?
What are you insinuating?
What I'm trying to say is that you cannot judge a book by its cover. Listen, what you just did now might cause big issues in their relationship.
Wait, are you saying I should watch that monster destroy my best friend's life same way he did to my late cousin? Is that what you're saying?
You're not understanding what I'm trying to say. Now look at the way she just left the party like that. Because of you. Do you know what you just did now can cause big issues in their relationship?
I don't freaking care.
You don't care? Excuse me.
It's all about her. Nobody cares about me. Nobody knows what I'm going through. It's all about her.
Mama, I have been worried since my fiancé told me over her brother's return.
I believe the princess knows what to do. And they say you told you not to bother yourself. So why are you worrying yourself?
Mama, anything can happen. Anything can happen at any moment. I wonder why that man has refused to die.
I'm confused too. Because you're supposed to die before now. Mommy,
listen, Mama, I am running out of patience. We should think of what to do because I must take over that throne.
Huh?
I must take over that throne, no?
Now you are talking. And we need to think of what to do to that man. We need to think.
Mama, I must take over that throne. I must take over it.
Calm down. Bring down your voice.
What are they up to?
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love.
Stay away from me. Just stay away from me. Did you hear me?
I can explain.
Explain what exactly? No. What do you want to explain to me? That you slept with a girl and then you confessed your love for her? You disappeared into the air, into the night, and here you are telling me you can explain. You're nothing but a cheat. And you see this relationship? It's over.
Baby, please don't do this to me, please.
Don't do what?
I cannot be with a man like you. I'm sorry. You disgust me. Here's your ring. Leave my house and don't come close to me. Leave my house. I don't want to push you. Leave my house.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, sorry. I know how you feel. But I want you to understand that whatever I had with gold was in the past. It's history now. Please.
In the past. Can you hear yourself? No, did you listen to yourself? Did you know the amount of damage you caused her? Do you know? She was here crying every day. Looking forward to seeing you. Not even a call. You didn't even bother. Not even a day to reach out to her. And then you walked into my life just to turn it upside down, right? This is what you do. Well done. Congratulations. Okay? Congratulations.
Please hear me out, please. I'm sorry all of that happened, but I'm a changed person now. The way I feel for you is not compared to the way I feel for her. Okay? I'm in love right now. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened. Please.
I'm the new person on your trick, right? No, you want to do to me what you do to them, right? Oh my God. Please. Just stay away from me and leave my house this minute.
You can't possibly say that.
Don't come any close to me. Don't even try it. Just go. Leave me alone. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You're a bitch.
Sorry, please.
Stay away from me.
Please.
Leave my house. Get out.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I fall again, and you go be more. I fall again, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love. Love.
Who is he? And why is he staring at me like that? Well, who cares? Let me eat and get out of here. Madam, please get me serviette.
Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable. Forevermore. Forevermore. Love. 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 Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, Obimo, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only death can separate us in this love. Oh, my love, our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one, unbreakable love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one, unbreakable love. Onye mege na sirinugo, love mege na sirinugo. Our love is forevermore. Our love meant to be together as one, unbreakable love.
Hi. I don't know. The car just suddenly stopped. And it's not coming on again.
Suddenly stopped. No sign.
No sign. She refused to start.
Okay, let me try kicking it. Let me hear the sound.
Can't you see it's not starting?
Oh, you tried now?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I found your ring.
When last did you change oil?
Last month.
Last month?
Yeah.
I think it's the kick. Oh no. Looks like what kick can do. And the battery head. Oh, it's loose. You're meant to tighten it, yeah?
Are you serious?
Go try. Go start. Let me see.
I should start it.
Yeah. Let's see. The battery head is the terminal is not. So you have to change the battery head, okay? And then your kick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
That's fine.
I'm very grateful.
You're welcome. Just try offing it.
Alright. Wow.
Let me.
Oh.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's very tight so it doesn't stop.
You're such a gentleman.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. Nivea?
I'm Vinny.
Oh, my pleasure.
Same here.
You're such a gentleman.
Oh, thank you. Come on. I wouldn't want to see you stranded.
You're such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Just drive straight to the electrician so they can, tighten the terminal head.
Sure, I will do that.
All right. Have a nice
you.
day.
Have a nice day.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because.
Hi, God. Okay, I'm very close to the house. I'm coming. All right. I will see you shortly. Okay, I'm very close. All right. Babes.
Nivea, what happened?
I'm so sorry. My car was giving me issues. I tried to move it, but it wasn't moving.
Look, you need to hurry up, alright? You kept me waiting. Hurry up, please.
I'm sorry.
Look at the time now.
Where are we going to?
To the club. I want to know if he will come around.
Silver. Come on, Gold.
What if you go there and he doesn't show up?
And he will come back.
Just like that?
Look, I just want to try my luck.
Gold, are you sure you're not obsessed with this guy? Anyway, it's alright. Let me change to something.
Hurry up.
So beautiful.
Hello. I'll be back.
Why to?
I want to check if I'll see him around.
Don't waste time.
I won't.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I fall in love, and you don't go be more. I fall in love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. 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 Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together.
How far? How did he go?
Let's go.
You didn't see him?
No.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, Obimo, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only that can say.
You know, men are very wicked.
Are you just getting to know?
You needed to see how he was begging to be my man.
That's the most annoying part of it. I don't know. It's their new trick, right? That's how they behave. Men beg for everything. They beg and beg and beg. You just wonder what's happening.
I never knew he was their new trick.
It is their new trick. But you know what? Babes, gold, just as your name is, so you are. See, I don't want you thinking about this or thinking he dumped you. You're not worthy. You're not good. Come on. You're good. You're worthy. You're beautiful. Name it.
Nivea,
Yeah.
thank you for always encouraging me with your words. Thank you.
It's all right. You deserve better. He lost and not you. Because he just lost a good woman. Come on, we need to do something. Something for fun, you know? Let's play cards.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. If women will make go.
Nivea, right?
Yeah, Vinny.
Oh, wow. Nivea, what's up?
I'm good.
It's been a long time.
Yes.
Oh, wow. You also work out here?
I do.
Okay. That's nice. Wow, it's actually good to see you again. You know.
Same here.
Okay, let's go together then.
Okay, that's fine.
Wow. Of course, we'll see again and again if you come to work out here.
Vinny, I just want to say thank you so much for, helping me out today.
Hey.
It wasn't really easy.
It's nothing. I guess we've been playing around in the gym.
Don't go there.
Okay, let me have your contact if you don't mind.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Wow. Nivea.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Oh my God. What? Why are you staring at me like that?
Let me guess. You have a secret date because I don't know of this one.
Not really. It's just the guy I met at the gym house the other time. Even though it's our second time.
Oh, you guys already met twice. How romantic.
The second time was just a coincidence. Please don't think there's something going on between I and this guy because there's absolutely nothing going on. Okay?
Anyways, from the look of things, from the excitement on your face, I think he likes you.
Well, good for him.
Good for him?
Yeah.
Look, Nivea, I understand how you feel about men, but you told me some time ago that there are some good men. Not all men are bad. Come on.
It's all right. Please, someone got you a gift.
Someone got me a gift?
Yes.
Well, let me guess, my baby?
Obviously. You won't see that alone. I'm coming along with you. Wow. These are really... This is so beautiful. See the color now. This is nice.
Thank you.
So when are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? So how long will you be gone?
Let's say a week or more.
A week? I don't know how I feel, but this your traveling is just too sudden.
Look, I have to go. I don't want to waste it. I want to nail it on him. I want to pin it on him.
I understand. It's just that I'm going to be very lonely without you.
I know. Don't worry, I won't be too long. After a week, I'll be back before you know it.
A week is just too far. But these things are really nice. Good, I don't like this thing you're doing. You better be serious with this game. Very serious. Because... Pick two.
Which one is pick two?
But that's it now.
You are cheating.
Ha! Don't say that though. Pick another two.
You think I didn't see you, right? Let's start all over again.
How? What is a free and fair game?
There's nothing like free and fair here. I'm playing with you. Let's do it.
Because I
again.
don't like this thing you're doing. Why
yeah,
is anytime somebody is winning you, you'll be doing... Your phone is ringing.
I think I don't have to talk to that person.
Why? Who is the person?
It's some guy. He's asking me out on a date.
How serious is he?
Who cares? Look, no man is toying with my heart again. I'm not going to let it happen.
You know, I understand. But just know that all men are not the same.
I don't want to know. I think I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? For who?
Who else? Silver.
Forget it.
This is how he ruined my friend's life. And now he wants to ruin my life. But I will not I will never allow him to build my life. I will not. Wait. No, don't tell me I'm pregnant. Don't tell me I'm pregnant. No, I can't be. I haven't even seen my period. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No.
Hello, Chike. What's going on? I'm in trouble. What's going on? Where are you? I'm in my house. Okay, I'm coming.
My love. I love you so much.
I love it too.
I can do anything to make you happy.
Are you sure?
I swear with my life.
You mean so much to
No
me.
matter what my parents do, no matter the frustration, I'll be there for you. You mean so much to me.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Mhm.
What is it now? Wait now.
Hey! Hello! Good afternoon, Papa. Good afternoon, Gogeba. No, good afternoon, kill you there. Good afternoon, Gogeba.
Sir, he was trying to remove something from my eyes.
Yes! I saw it very clearly. He was removing sand from your eyes. In fact, not just a log of wood from your eyes. Eh? So, America, this is what you do, eh? But this is how you commit abomination all over the place. Both of you. Okay. Hey! Is that so? No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. No excuses. Yeah? I support you in every way from now on. Yeah? Don't just remove something from her eyes. After removing, don't forget to put. You understand me? It is the putting that is going to smash your head. Idiot. Hi! Ah!
See, don't mind my father. I can take care of him.
Your father does not like
Come
me.
on, babe, don't say that. Don't say that. That's how he behaves.
I'm leaving.
Wait now. See, wait.
I'll talk to you later. I'll call you, okay? I'll talk to you later. No.
Vinny, what's going on?
Nivea broke up with me.
Oh my. Why?
You know that girl I told you I met in the club sometime? We went to the hotel together.
Yeah, I remember.
She's Nivea's friend. She told her everything. I mean, it's crazy. Like,
Damn it! Damn it! Okay, let me have Nivea's number.
That's not it. She's not. Her phone has been switched off.
Don't worry,
yesterday.
just let me have it. Damn it!
Don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell.
Allô? Tu fier quoi? Il faut jamais l'obodo. Tu fier? but this is rubbish. This is absolute rubbish. Hey! Chileke.
My husband, what is that?
You're asking me what is this?
Eh?
Go to the road and see what your useless son is doing with the princess. They're out there. Go to the road now. They are there romancing, kissing, in fact, making love in full glare of the public.
Is that why you were ranting? Eh? Is that why you are ranting? Eh? Allow these children to express their feelings. You are looking at, as in looking for the person talking.
Oh, excuse me. Wait. Was that the whining of a mosquito, or did someone just speak to me? Wait. You call promiscuity to the highest level enjoyment? You. Hey! I knew it. I knew that this must have been how you started before I rescued you from yourself. Yes, before I rescued you from self-destruction. This is exactly the type of life you are living. No problem. But I want to tell you something. Whatever you and that useless son of yours bring upon your own heads, you shall carry them.
Nothing will happen. Okay. Allow them to enjoy themselves.
No problem.
You are not a noisemaker in this house. Rita, you're shouting. Nonsense. Let them kiss. If they like, let them romance themselves there and do whatever they like. They are kissing themselves.
Mom, Dad, please, I love Emenike so much. And we cannot live without each other.
Oh, yeah.
I brought this for you to accept. I need your blessings, Ma.
Come on.
Dad, please, I need
Come on.
Stop now.
Now you're looking for my trouble.
Are you mad?
You're looking for my trouble.
Look at this.
Story to tell, your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting, Inugo. Don't let your own to be different. 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 Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
How are you, my boy?
I'm fine.
Please, I'm looking for Mr. Ikemba's house.
Mr. Ikemba's house. Okay. Ma, if you take a right turn by your right, the other compound by your left, yes, that's the place, the first compound. Yes, ma.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Chinaya, give him 1,000 naira.
Your Majesty, we live long. Thank you very much. Your Majesty, thank you.
Please. I want to marry Emenike. I love him so much. We need your blessings, sir.
Whose blessings? Are you mad? Will you shut up there? Is this how... My queen.
And what the hell do you think you are doing here?
Mom, I came to see his people to declare my interest in their son.
Will you shut up? Can you just listen to yourself what you're saying? Just look at the place you came to. Look at the person you said you want to marry. He does not even look like a human being. What do you think you are doing?
Mom, please go home. We'll talk about this when I get back.
Shut that asshole you call mouth. Shut it! I have warned your son severally. But Betty seems to be the stubborn type. I want you now to warn him to stay away from my daughter. Next time you see me here, you will not like what I will do. And you will regret it. Do not say that I did not warn you. A word is enough for the wise.
Hey, my queen, it's not me, oh. It's my husband. Because I have never supported my son.
Mama. Mama.
Enough! You, let me not get home before you. Nonsense.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. I follow Ginanya, and you don't go be more. I follow Ginanya, love, our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together.
How did my mother locate your house?
My love, I can't tell. As I am talking to you right now, I cannot tell.
My mother is trying to frustrate me. I don't know why this woman does not want my happiness. She's just trying to kill my plans and frustrate my life.
I know who must have given out that information.
Who?
Ijoma, my younger sister.
What? Your sister?
Yes.
What made you say so?
Ijoma can go to any length to frustrate our plans. I know her too well. She's my sister. My younger sister for that matter. She is the one behind all this. Hey, zombie, come here. Come here! Come and stand here. Come here. Why did you report my fiancée to her mother that she visited our house?
Is that why you stopped me?
If you shout at me, I will slap thunder out of your eyes. I asked a simple question. Why did you report my fiancé?
I did not.
Oh, shut up. Stop lying. You did.
What kind of stupid truth are you talking about?
Listen, Ijoma, if you run your mouth here, I will order her to slap hell out of you.
She will not slap me. She will not do it. You slapped me.
Now do it again.
Emelike, so you ordered this useless girl to slap me, Abi?
You deserve more than this. In fact, you deserve to be beaten mercilessly.
You will meet me at home. Nonsense boy. You just come and get her from my face.
Even my mates and my guards can't speak to me the way she's speaking to me.
Love, it's okay.
It's because she's your sister. I would have asked one of my guards to flog her mercilessly.
It's okay, I'm sorry. Don't worry, she's my sister. I will handle her. Please.
Better do.
Sorry.
Why did you lie to the queen? You told her that I, Ikemba, that I am supporting Emelike.
What did you expect me to tell you?
The truth. The truth. Truth is like an erect mountain. You may try, but you cannot bend it. Yes. Anyway, thank God the queen was here. Let me see how Emelike will continue his stupidity.
He will continue. The queen cannot stop him. Yes.
Anyway, I will not answer you. The king will soon come here and take action against you.
He will. No. He will come and take action against you, not me.
Okay. What happened?
This is not Princess and Emenike.
What
Emenike asked the princess to slap me.
Slap you?
Yes, Papa.
Emenike?
That is very good for you. So that next time you learn how to mind your business. This is just the beginning. Next time she's going to slap all the teeth away from your mouth.
Don't worry. Nne, sit down.
Oh,
Don't
no,
worry.
Cha.
I will deal with Emenike in this house. I'm happy.
Deal with him.
Mamua.
Papa, do with him, but you not keep quiet. You not mind your business. Papa, do with him,
You are this one. Tell. I will deal with him and I will deal with you too. I'm going for it. By the time I finish with both of you in this house, people will know.
Super.
Super. Yeah? I will tell Emenike that I am his father. I am his father. And as for you, one day you are going to tell me where you got him from, because in fact, sometimes his behavior, his mannerisms, his character, his behavioral attitude tells a very, very different story from my window.
Don't break this love because of my past life. Oh. Let's break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only that.
See, I have finally told him.
Are you serious? So tell me, what did he say?
He accepted.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Guess what?
What?
He also proposed to me that same moment.
He did? This is good. This is good. So what next? My girl is hooked. Gold, you're hooked for life. I'm so happy. Like, I'm super happy. Oh my God. This is one of the best news I've heard today. You just made my day. Just take good care of yourself. You know the plans now. Be careful, okay?
You see, my instinct about him was right all this while.
Do you know we even kissed?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You know what? I think you should hold on to this guy. He is yours.
I'm scared. I don't want anybody to break my heart.
Nivea, you should learn to trust people. Trust him, okay? You know what I'm talking about.
I'm trying. Anyway, how is your man? How are you guys doing?
He's fine.
I can see you're really glowing. So, we need to go and catch up with you.
Okay.
Alright.
Can separate us in this love. Oh, my love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love.
I can't believe this, son. I can't believe this. I don't ever want to see him anywhere close to me. I don't. Once I get to the hospital tomorrow and I find out I'm pregnant for him, I will have to get rid of this baby because I can't have a child for that bastard. The bastard!
We are meant to be together Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Only making us love making us our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love.
I've been calling her since yesterday. not taking calls. What is going on? This is unusual.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life.
I'm sorry, Mom, for keeping you waiting. Congratulations. You're 3 weeks pregnant. Have it. Take it. Go ahead. Are you okay? Oh, good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Vera's father is taking too long to die. Delay can be dangerous. By now, I'm supposed to have taken over the man's properties and the throne. Emenike, you have to do something fast. Death is death, whether the man dies naturally or otherwise. I have to think fast.
My princess, is he dead?
Who?
I mean your father.
I don't understand. Are you wishing my father dead?
My love, you said he would die soon. Up till now, he's still alive. I don't get what's going on.
Are you for real? Please do not wish my father dead, okay? My father would die at his appointed time.
My love, delay can be dangerous based on what we planned. And we don't know what your brother had in mind. So we need to do something fast about it.
It's okay. Vincent is gone and he's gone for good, okay? By the way, that's not why I'm here. I want to talk to you about something. Come. Let's go somewhere private and talk.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. Afulunginanya, enyegaga bimo. Afulunginanya, love more. Our love is forevermore. Is forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable.
Nivea. 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 Nivea.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, Obimo, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only death can separate us in this love. Oh, my love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Oh, love. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Onye mege na sirirugo. Love mege na sirirugo. Our love is evermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love.
Hi, babe. Babe. You good?
Yes.
Sure? Alright. Have you heard from Nivea?
No, her phone has been switched off. Maybe I'll go to her house and check up on her.
Okay. That would be nice. Alright then.
Where to?
Okay, I have an appointment with my friend, Jimmy. So, I'm stepping out to
Please
see.
ensure to come back on time. I don't want to miss you for so long.
Wait, baby. Do you need anything? You want me to buy something for you?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, baby. I'll see you when I come back.
Alright, bye.
Love you.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. If a man may go, if a man may go, take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody's have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting in the world. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. You wanna you know wanna get. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting.
is going on? Where could she be? Her phones are switched off. She's not at home. If only Nivea understands that I'm a changed person. Huh? I'm a changed person. I wish you can see how much I love her. Huh? How can she be punishing me for what happened in the past? How?
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream. Is this love? If I love, can you?
Nurse.
Red rose.
Nurse.
Red rose. Red rose. I thought I found true love.
Nurse, please
I never know.
What's going on?
He's
Hi,
a
sis.
player.
Nurse. Is she okay?
I thought
Can you at least say something?
I never know he's a player. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player.
Hello?
Honey,
Baby,
I'm at the hospital.
what happened?
Nivea had a fatal accident.
Which hospital? Oh my goodness, I'm coming.
Hello, Charles.
Vinny, Nivea has been rushed to the hospital.
What?
Yes, she had a very serious accident.
Oh my God. Which hospital? Okay, I'm coming there now. God, what's this?
What did the doctor say?
The doctor hasn't said anything yet. I just pray she's okay. Babe. Babe.
How did it happen?
My brother, it was a terrible experience. I was just driving along the road and I noticed an accident scene. I came there and I noticed it was her. I had to bring her to the hospital. She will be fine.
Where's the doctor?
I have not seen the doctor and he hasn't said anything as well.
Doctor.
I'm talking to you, babe. Can't you hear me? I said, what was the meaning of that? What was the meaning of that?
What were you expecting me to do? Jump on him and kiss him for causing me so much pains?
Really? But you started it first. Why can't you just let go of the past?
Don't even try to blame me for this. Don't dare.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. If I may go, take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting.
He will never go free from this. Never. I will make him pay for destroying my life. Charles must not know about this pregnancy. I will never be at rest as long as that beast is still alive. I have to do all I can to get him out of the way. He can't ruin my life the second time.
Baby. Oh my goodness. Baby. What is it? You're not sleeping. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Come on. You're crying and you said you're fine. How? Baby. Can you at least forget the disputes between Vincent and your sister? Please. You're not fine. It's okay. Let's sleep. It's late. Okay? It's okay. Come to bed.
You be my love, oh my love.
Good day to you, beast.
What are you doing here, fool? What are you doing here? Speak before I strangle you to death. What are you doing here?
You can strangle me, but just so you know, I am pregnant for you. Oh!
You what?
You heard me correctly. You got me pregnant and disappeared. You resurfaced and got my best friend pregnant. You will pay dearly for this. You must. I promise you.
How can she be pregnant?
Vera does not understand when I said that delay is dangerous. I think I should ignore her and go with my plans. Once the kings go down, everything will be over. Nothing will stop me from my ambitions.
Obanji, what is it? Why are you staring at me like that? What is it?
Madman, why are you staring at me? Eh? Onyala.
You see, you, one day I will beat hell out of you in this house. I will beat you one day in this house.
Forget the past, don't use it against others. If me go, take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting.
Gold, please don't do this. I beg you.
How do I explain to my parents that I don't know the father of the child in my stomach? Where do I start from? What do I tell them?
Oh, God.
I understand. I know exactly how you feel. But you need to put yourself together. It's not the end of the world, you know.
It's not easy. Maybe it's not easy.
It's alright. God, please. Please, just put yourself together. I'm begging you, don't do this, please. I understand how you feel. And I just want you to know that you're a very strong woman. You're very, very strong.
Nivea, I want to tell you something.
Okay, my dear.
I want to abort this baby.
What? Why?
I can't afford to live with the shame.
God, I don't buy that idea. Why would you want to abort an innocent child? Your first fruits are that. Why would you want to do that?
Look, I don't care right now. I don't have a choice. Nivea, I can only keep this baby on one condition.
Which is?
I'll pin it on someone else.
Okay. You would do what? Pin another man's child to another man? That is so risky. It's dangerous.
Nivea, I cannot have an illegitimate child. The memory will haunt me forever. I can't.
But are you thinking about the risk? God.
That's the only option right now.
God, you have to, really think about this thing. Really. Yes. Go, baby. I didn't see you when I woke up.
I needed to be alone.
Don't tell me you're still thinking about that guy. I thought we had a plan already.
I'm thinking of giving that guy a chance.
Who?
The one I told you about, the one that has been disturbing me for a relationship.
You like him?
Not really, I just want to answer his name.
So what's the plan?
Hook up with him. After that, take the relationship to another level.
Okay. Not a bad idea.
Going to the gym?
Yes, my darling. At least let me see if someone will look at me. It's not as if I'm really interested. But it feels good when someone admires you. You know?
You're right. Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
You'll be waiting for me in this mood. God, please stop. I don't want to see you in this mood. So just come out of it.
I'll try.
I'll see you when I get back.
Alright, take
Bye.
care. Bye. New catch in case.
You're so sweet.
You too. I think about you every day. Of course. You're the sweetest thing ever.
Sorry.
You have a call?
Yes. Hello?
Babe, what's up?
I'm good. Please, can I call you back later?
Okay, alright.
Alright.
What was that?
A friend.
Okay. Good to have you here.
Same here.
Nivea, you needed to see how this guy twisted. Hey! I was crying like a baby. This man is very good in bed. And that is bulai. It's very thick. I like it thick. I'm beginning to fall in love with the man.
Come on. God. You too like Bola. You and Bola na 5 and 6.
Dead here now, no like him. He said he wants to go on a business trip. I asked him if I should come with him.
Why?
And you they ask this kind of question. If I let him go, how will he accept the pregnancy? See, I need to be with this guy all the time. I need to be knocking.
pack him. I need to be feeding him so I can pin the pregnancy on him.
Bad girl.
So,
sharp girl. You know one thing I like about you, eh? You have a way of taking care of any problem you find yourself. And you know the amazing thing about this? You like the guy.
Any man will give me well, I must like you.
Of course.
Sure.
Any man will make you go heaven. Wait till they get you once.
Like
Ask me my friendship.
I didn't abort this baby because I later hung it on Charles. Little did I know I am going to meet Silver or Vinny again.
Forget the past, don't use it against others. If a mellow may go, if a mellow may go, take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
Your Majesty, why are you worried? Are you okay?
I don't know why our son has decided to bring shame upon my bloodline. I don't know. But I know too well that I didn't do that to my father. No, I didn't. A prince living a wayward life. I must be honest with you. I am totally disappointed in that boy. Totally disappointed. But why?
Your Majesty, just take it easy. Do not take the pains to your heart. Don't allow it to trouble you. I believe that with time, he will change. Yes, he will change. Yes, he will be a better man.
He will change.
Yes.
Why?
Where? Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream.
Tell me you're joking, Vinny.
Brother, all my life I have never fallen for a woman like this before.
Finally, someone is in love for the first time. This girl must be an angel.
No doubt, trust me. But the thing is, she doesn't even know I'm in love with her. You know, we just met.
It doesn't matter. Just go ahead and tell her.
Right? But I don't think she likes me.
Why did you say so?
I've called her like twice and she didn't take calls, no return.
You can't be too sure that she doesn't like you because she didn't pick up. She might be busy, you know, so just try and call her back. I believe she will pick.
Okay, no problem. Thanks, man. Thank you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. So, this is where you do all your paintings?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Sorry, that's fine. That's fine. I'm an artist. This is my establishment. I'm the artist.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a painter? You do all this? Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Nice.
Well, this is actually a surprise, but I don't know why I want to tell you now.
Okay.
I made a beautiful piece of you. Portrait.
Me?
Yeah. Though I'm not done yet, but
Why?
because I haven't seen someone as beautiful as you are. From the first day I saw you, I haven't been myself.
Please stop it. Okay? Just stop. This is one of all those things men used to say. I want you, I want you. I'm not interested. What exactly do you want from me?
To be your man.
Stories. These are what men do. I want to be your man. I want to be your man just to get into you, and that's it. Right?
Well, you're not wrong. And you're not absolutely right. I promise you, you won't regret knowing a man like me.
Interesting. I know your tricks. I know how you guys do it. I am not interested. Is that okay?
Would you give me a chance to prove myself? Please.
I will think about it.
Thank you.
No, thank you. I haven't said yes. I only said I was going to think about it, so.
Okay.
Well, you actually have a nice space here. Right from outside to in here. I like everything.
Thank you.
I like this.
Oh yeah, that's it tells a story of sunset in the Middle East. That's if you learn with the culture. Even God knows that I love Nivea with all my heart. She's the woman I want to settle down with. Now God has appeared from nowhere. Just nowhere. I keep wondering what she told Charles about me. What's this? What's this?
Yes, I have not thought about it. Her brother is the only threat I have to my ambition. Once he is eliminated, I will have no rival to the king's properties and throne. I will do it. Let me see Tattoo first and discuss with him.
Officers, that is the idiot.
Hey! If you run, I'll shoot you. If you move, now. Come on! Move, come on! Move! What have I done?
What did I do? What have I done?
Move!
I warned you, didn't I?
Hey! This way!
Papa!
Hey! This way!
Papa! Mama! What did I do now?
Come on, guys!
My brother!
Come on, get inside the car!
How did my brother
Sit!
I warned you people, didn't I? When I came here and warned you to hold your son, you thought I was bluffing. By the time I deal with him, he will know better than to stay clear of my daughter.
My queen, please. My
queen,
please. Now you're protecting my brother too.
Do something now, you're looking at them.
Papa, please, now don't.
Come on, do something. You're there looking at them. What's wrong with you? I'm not the head of the family. My queen, please. My queen, please. My queen, please. My queen,
Mother, how could you? You arrested an innocent man and asked the police to detain him. Why?
Are you raising your voice at me? Is something wrong with you? Is that the reason you stopped me?
Mother, your actions cannot stop me from loving him. It will not change anything.
Then for your information, I have not even started dealing with him.
This is not fair, Mother. This man has not done anything to you. Please ask the police to release him.
Why don't you go and ask the police to release him? Like I said before, I have not started dealing with him. You better stop whatever nonsense you are developing for him.
Mom, you can't do this to me.
I have already done it. They are yet to start with him. Dan, take me out of here.
You can't do this to me, Mom, please. You can't do this to me. You have to ask the police to release this man. This man is innocent. I love this man. This man has not done anything to you. What are you doing? Why are you doing this to me, Mom? Why do you want to frustrate my life? Mother! I will not stop loving this man. Whatever you do, I don't care. I will not stop loving this man.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing.
Peacock. Why is Vinny not picking his call? What's going on? We have a date for 2 p.m. Why is he not picking up? Well, let me wait a little. Perhaps he will call back. Wrong. Why is Vinny not picking his call? We had a date for 2 p.m. Well, let me wait. Perhaps he will call back.
Oga, now you? Thank God you're here. They just carry my Oga go now.
Who are they?
I don't know those boys' faces. I don't know their face. They just put my Oga gun for head. Just carry and go.
How long did this happen?
Oga, you never took it like that. I'm getting scared.
No, don't worry. Sorry.
I beg.
Don't worry. Sorry.
Was he really having issues with anyone?
Issues? No. Except gold, yes. Except gold.
Gold? Who is Gold then?
Gold is Navia's best friend.
Gold. Yes. Nivea's best friend. I see. Thank you so much for the information. We'll get back to you. Please, if you have any useful information to give to us, please don't hesitate to contact us, okay?
All right. It's okay, sir.
Do not fail to let us know.
Sure. We will.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by August. Stop fighting.
I'm so sorry about what happened. I promise nobody's ever going to arrest you again.
My love, you needed to see what those criminals did to me in that cell. I swear, your mother is very wicked. She is so heartless. I saw death with my 2 eyes. God forbid.
It's okay, nothing will happen to you. Okay? Everything will be fine. What is it? What is it?
These are the same people that arrested me.
Nobody's going to arrest you. I'm here, okay?
Greetings.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings.
I'm Inspector James. And here?
I'm Inspector Luke.
What can I do for you?
We're not here to cause harm or arrest him. So he said, we want to see you concerning your missing brother.
Well, I know nothing about my useless brother who has refused to listen to advice.
No, we want to find out from you what you know about those people he mingled with. Does it?
Officer, I know nothing about them. I don't know anything about them.
Why do I feel like you're lying or you're hiding something from us?
Officer, you heard me. I still stand on what I said. I know nothing about his whereabouts or whoever he mingled with.
Let's go.
It's okay. Don't be scared. Listen, nobody's going to harm you, okay? I am here for you. Nobody's going to harm you. Nothing bad will happen to you. Cheer up.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. If a man may go, if a man may go, take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story.
I like this program, baby.
Same here.
One of my favorites.
Let it remain past. Stop fighting by August. Stop fighting.
Yes? Baby, please go check who's at the door.
Okay.
Ah, I knew it. Yeah? Who are these people?
Good day.
Good day.
Good day. I'm Inspector Luke from State CID.
I'm Inspector James.
What is going on? What's the problem?
We want to see your wife in our station for questioning.
For what?
On what offense? Concerning the disappearance of one Mr. Vinny Onoche.
I don't know what you're talking about. How can you just walk into my house and ask me to follow you to the station? Is that how you guys should behave? Accusing me falsely?
I would appreciate if you move quietly, or do you want me to forcefully move you?
It's okay, hold it. It hasn't gotten to this point. We can actually, settle this amicably.
I'm innocent.
Move it now.
Don't tell me to move, please.
Please
I'm innocent.
move. Okay, we're going together, all right?
Then you move it.
Can you drop your gun, please?
Please move.
Let's go. After you.
Forget the past. Don't use it against us.
It is not true. Okay. What were you doing at his place 2 days before he was kidnapped?
I went to see him concerning his friend that had an accident.
Is that so? Good. You think that we don't know you and Vania have something in between?
I would like to speak to my lawyer.
I said it. I promise you, you will never get away with this. Of course, yes, you will never get away with this.
Good. Does it look like we're joking here? Does it? I get gold. She's really mean and smart. I'm thinking we should play smart with her.
How?
Well, we'll play nice, we set her free, put our eyes on her, and then if she messes up, we'll drag her to jail.
She's very smart. But we are going to deal with her.
I don't know what's giving her that mind.
How did the police know I was at Vinny's house? Who is their informant? Charles would be mad at me if he knows about this. I wish he never comes out of this alive.
Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one night stand. Just one night stand. This is what became.
Come in. Come in. Officer, any news?
I'm sorry, nothing yet. But I promise you, your son will be safe. Please, can you give us more information about your son?
My son? My son is a crazy artist that knows his work very well. All he wants is to live his life as a free man. He has never brought anyone home except Nivea, who is now lying half dead in the hospital.
I'm so sorry to hear this, but I promise you, whoever is behind this, will get the person nailed. It's a promise.
Please, officers, do your best. Do your best to help my son, please.
Your Majesty, we are going to do our best.
You can always count on us. But we'll take our leave now. James, you see, all the information is leading us back to that lady.
I think we should keep our eyes on that lady. Just like you said.
You're right. Keep our eyes on her.
Honestly.
Let's go.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream. Is this love? If I love, come to red rose, red rose, red rose.
You'll be alright, okay? Nothing will happen to you. You know, the doctor ought to be here by now. I don't know what's keeping him. Let me go downstairs and check if he's around. If not, I'll put up a call across to him. I'm sorry. You'll be okay? Let me go and check.
He's a player. Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one night stand. Just one night stand. This is what became of me. I can't be myself anymore.
Zagas, thank you so much. You did a clean job.
Now what to you? No, us. Ah, wow. Now me be Zagas.
I knew it. Sam, that girl is not meant to be trusted. Sadly.
I know they beg shit to smell. Zagas, aka, maybe say police they arrest me, but I know they sleep for sale.
It's okay. I'll pick you up later in the day.
Also, how far na Bolanle my muchacha na my balance na me I see front.
You get your balance immediately I leave here.
Yeah, you. Delay. They dangerous. Delay. They dangerous. No lele na, I got mana.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. If a mellow may go.
She's going. Let's follow her.
Immediately.
Take it or you leave it. You can't change the hand of clock. Everybody have a story to tell. Your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting in the world. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. One why you know one again. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting in the world. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. Don't let your own to be different. One why you know one again. Don't let your own to be different. Enviness jealousy.
I'm not surprised. I know it's you.
Shut up, you fool. You thought I was going to let you get away with it?
So what are you going to do? Kill me?
No. I am not going to kill you. I am going to frustrate you. I will make sure you beg for your death for causing me so much pains.
Let us engage now. Let us engage. No. We'll wait. She's going to kill him. You think so? Of course, yes. She won't. So we'll wait. You don't understand this girls. Can we move? Just relax. I say we'll wait. Okay.
Go ahead and shoot me.
I wasn't going to shoot you.
What do you want from me?
Run away with me. I am carrying your child.
That will never be possible. Not even in my next life.
I am going to let you decide your fate. Sagaz? By the time I go out and come back and he has not agreed to my term, kill him.
Enviness, jealousy, this your evil action can never solve these problems. Melodani no go feel alone, Melodani before you regret it.
Hey, what the police? Don't mess up. Move now or I'll move you. Move it. Azanga, move. Come on, move. Move, go ahead. Wait. Come on. Move it. Come on, go ahead. Drop, hey, drop that. Drop it down. Drop Drop that quick! Drop it!
Officer.
Drop it! I said drop that. You said move!
Officer, my Canadian land!
Move! Come on! Move!
No, my Canadian land!
Move!
Officer, the government property with you. The rich police station, no they sleep for sale. No they sleep for sale. Move it.
Move! 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 I said move! My friend, come on, move! Move! Move it! Move! 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 Move it! Come on! Move it! Move it! Move it! Sit!
Easy, officer. Easy, officer.
Sit down! Will you move it? Don't be like this. Fab, blaster your head. Come on! Sit. Come on!
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I'm falling in love, and you gonna be more. I'm falling in love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. 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 Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love.
Jones, come on, tell us. Easy. Thank you.
I hope you're okay.
Yeah.
Yourself, eh? Criminal. Take it easy now. Move. Officer. Move. Easy now. Come officer. See now. Move.
Yeah, hello, Sunshine.
I'm fine. How about you?
Very well, very well.
It's like you're driving.
Yes. Hope all is well.
How did the court case go, baby?
Oh, the court. They were sentenced to 10 years imprisonment.
Jesus. How about good?
Of course. Of course, she's an accomplice. She was the one who organized the kidnap, so what do you expect?
Oh my God, I feel pity for her.
Sunshine, what they got was poetic justice. Poetic what? Justice. That was what they got. 10 years imprisonment with hard labor. You deserve it. They brought there. No problems. I'll be back in a jiffy, okay? I'll be back in a jiffy.
Okay, I'm on my way home though. I'll meet you at home then.
Alright then. Sunshine.
No problem. Take care of yourself. I love you.
Alright, same here. I love you too. Huh? Bye. Women wants to start having pity. Somebody who kidnapped, who knows our intention.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I'm falling in anya, and you don't go be more. I'm falling in anya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love, 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 our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love, love, love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable. Forevermore.